Welcome 4th standard children. I finished with the lessons, isn't it? First term lessons I finished. The last lesson I have taken is the tiger gets a fright. So 5 parts were there for that lesson, and I have sent the exercise also. Now this I am taking as a revision for you all children, as a revision. Now you all children will be thinking what type of exam. Last time you all had objective type of questions. Now this time we are not going to give like that kind of questions. We are going to ask short question answers also. Understand? So I will tell you what all questions will be asked for the exam. Now first thing, there are meanings. Now both the lessons are having meanings, isn't it? Both some apples. So 2 lessons you all are having. Some apples please, and the tiger gets a fright. 2 lessons for the exam. I hope all have read the lesson. Now because there is no class, there is no reading test. So children, read at home. Did you hear? Read at home. If you are not able to pronounce anything, send Shobha Miss personally that Shobha Miss, how will we pronounce for this word? I will help you. Did you hear? So there are meanings. The apple pie. Few important meanings I will tell you. Exchange. That is one important meaning. Giving one thing and receiving another in return. Then quarreling, that is arguing angrily. Then, so these are the important ones I am reading, so you all listen carefully. Then for the next lesson, so there I have read 2 meanings. Then here, prowling the forest, that is moving quietly in the forest, only looking for prey. Then padded, walked silently. Then haunches, upper portion of legs and hips. Then persimmon also. Persimmon, what is persimmon? Orange colored fruit, only that much. Then here, this side, streaked, that is ran very fast. So these are the important words, meanings, that from this I will ask 1 or 2 words for the examination. So you all study well. Then next is what I am going to explain to you all is here is the one box here that I am to what she exchanged it for and whom she exchanged it for. So what, for and whom. So 3 there are. So feathers. For what did she exchange? For 2 loaves of bread. To whom did she exchange? Those from the couple. So this box you all have to study well. So from here 1 or 2 I will be asking from this. Then correct answers and all you all know, isn't it? 1 word answers and all. Here there are 1 word answers. The old woman did not have apples. All that you all will be reading. From that 2 or 3 I will be asking. What were the man and the woman in the farmhouse quarreling about? How to stuff her pillow. Then what did the old woman wish to eat for dinner? Apple pie. So all these are 1 word. Then which are the important thing I am going to ask? Fill in with a more suitable option. Here also, this also you all go through well children. Then this I am not going to ask. Black and white, that I am not going to ask. Then this sometimes I will ask. TH, adding TH and forming a word. Then next we will come to grammar. Grammar, that is pronouns and articles. So you all should know pronouns and articles. Now pronouns used in place of noun. He, she, you, we, I, us and all that. So that you all should know well. Now in that grammar page that they are explaining about pronouns and articles. Now we will come to the next here. Complete the following. Complete the following. This is very important children. The tiger was wandering in the forest. Dash dash. He was looking for food. The tiger wandered into the village. Then I will give you dash dash. As he found no prey in the forest, the tiger was surprised when grandmother mentioned his name. So all this dash I will put. Then true or false I am not asking. Then we will come to this fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks you all should know properly. Fill in the blanks to complete the summary of the story. So this fill in the blanks you all read properly. so that you can answer well for the examination. And here also one word answers are coming. This also you have to study well. Then here, answer with reference to the context. So, I better leave before this dreadful thing catches me. Who thought these words? What is a dreadful thing that is referred to? Why was it thought to be dreadful? That's very important, you all study that. Then match the following also. So, here you saw match the following. Then think and answer, that's also very easy. They have given you a choice that you all study, children. And then, this and all not important, children. Then we will come to this grammar part, A, use of articles, A and the. So, and then we will come to this page here. So, page 52. 52 to 55 is very important. So, all this you all go through this. All this. So, use of pronouns, then use of articles. So, A and all this you have to go through, children. And one thing you all have to understand, in these two lessons there are no question answers. So, all these exercise you all thorough properly. All this I will ask A or an. Then so 8 tentacles, that also you all go through and keep. 1 or 2 sentences I may ask from this also. Then this is the last one. So, rewrite these sentences by adding the, where you have to use the and rewrite the sentence. That's what. This I am not going to ask, children. The last on page 56 I am not asked. Up to page 55 you all revise properly. Okay, children, all the best. All the answer well. Thank you, children.